As a homeowner in Layton, you know how unpredictable the climate can be. With hot summers and cold winters, your home can experience extreme temperature fluctuations throughout the year. To keep your home comfortable, reduce energy costs, and enhance its overall efficiency, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. A well-chosen energy-efficient door not only helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature but also contributes to your home's curb appeal and long-term sustainability. Let's explore why energy-efficient doors are essential for Layton's climate and the best door options for your home. Why energy-efficient doors matter for Layton homes. In Layton, where winters can be harsh and summers can see temperatures soar, homeowners rely heavily on their heating and cooling systems. However, traditional doors, especially older ones, can allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to leak out during the summer. This makes your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy bills and an overall inefficient home. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed with superior insulation and weatherproofing to help maintain the indoor temperature. Whether it's a steel entry door, fiberglass door, or sliding patio door, these doors help prevent air from escaping or entering the home, improving energy efficiency and reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems. In addition to improving comfort, they can save you money on monthly utility bills over time. Best energy-efficient door options for Layton homes. With so many energy-efficient door options available, it's essential to know which ones are best suited for Layton's unique climate. Here are some of the best choices for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Steel doors. Strong, durable, and insulating. Steel doors are an excellent option for homeowners in Layton, particularly those looking for a strong and durable option. These doors are made with a solid core insulation that provides excellent thermal resistance, helping to keep the temperature inside your home stable. Steel doors also have a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts from sneaking through the edges. In terms of durability, steel doors are highly resistant to weather damage, making them perfect for Layton's changing climate. These doors can withstand rain, snow, and fluctuating temperatures without warping or deteriorating. Steel doors also offer great security and are difficult to break through, making them a fantastic choice for homeowners concerned with home protection. Fiberglass doors. Insulated and versatile fiberglass doors are another highly energy-efficient option for homes in Layton. Known for their insulating properties, fiberglass doors are often filled with foam cores that prevent heat transfer and reduce the need for additional heating or cooling. These doors are excellent for reducing air leaks and helping to maintain a steady indoor temperature. Fiberglass doors are also low maintenance and resistant to warping, cracking, or swelling due to changes in temperature or humidity. This makes them perfect for Layton's fluctuating climate, as they will retain their appearance and performance for years to come. Additionally, fiberglass doors come in a wide range of styles, from traditional to modern, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's design. Sliding patio doors. Light and airy with insulation benefits for homeowners looking to add natural light and aesthetic appeal while maintaining energy efficiency. Sliding patio doors are an excellent choice. These doors typically feature double-glazed glass, which improves insulation and helps regulate the temperature inside your home. With low-E glass coatings, these doors can further minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In addition to insulation, sliding patio doors are an easy-to-operate option for spaces that lead out to a backyard or deck. These doors allow for beautiful outdoor views while offering effective weather resistance. By selecting an energy-efficient sliding door, you can make your living space more comfortable without sacrificing style or function. Storm doors. Extra protection and insulation. In Layton, where snowstorms and windy conditions can be a concern, adding a storm door can offer an additional layer of protection for your home's entryway. Storm doors are designed to provide extra insulation and protect your main door from harsh weather, ensuring that it stays in good condition for longer. Many storm doors feature low-E glass and insulating materials that can improve the energy efficiency of your home while also offering extra security. A storm door can help prevent drafts, keep out moisture, and protect your home from the elements, especially during the winter months. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures or harsh storms, installing an energy-efficient storm door alongside your main entry door is a smart way to enhance your home's insulation. Additional benefits of energy-efficient doors. Aside from the energy savings and improved comfort, there are several additional benefits to upgrading to energy-efficient doors. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades, including doors, can increase the value of your Layton home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Reduced environmental impact. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you're also lowering your carbon footprint, making your home more sustainable and eco-friendly. Improved noise reduction. Energy-efficient doors often come with soundproofing features that help reduce noise pollution, providing a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Conclusion. Upgrade your Layton home with energy-efficient doors. With Layton's changing climate, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a smart investment that not only enhances your home's comfort but also helps save on energy bills and increase the overall value of your home. From steel and fiberglass doors to sliding patio doors and storm doors, there's a wide range of energy-efficient options available to meet your needs. By choosing the right doors for your home, you can create a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and secure living space for you and your family. Don't wait. Upgrade to energy-efficient doors today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.